Hello everyone, my name is Martin Medeiros and I'll be your instructor for ECON 2 Macroeconomics. And I just wanted to take this time to show you how this class is going to be structured on a week-to-week basis. I'm not going to be covering any content in this video, I just want to let you know how to navigate and when are things due. So there's no better place to start than with the syllabus. Now the syllabus is posted at the top of the class site. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom to where you see it says course outline right here. And here I have all of the weeks listed with all of the reading assignments by chapter and all of the due dates, right? And these due dates are all on Sunday. So that makes things very, very consistent. There's always going to be something due on a Sunday. So let's just take the first week. For example, the due date is the 30th. So if you go to the class site, and you scroll down to week 1, so session 1, and what I have here is I have an introduction. This gives you an idea of the learning outcomes for this particular week, and I have readings. So this has to be done before you attempt any assignments. And I have my PowerPoint slides, and I also have narrated lectures that go with these slides. So you would read the textbook, go through my slides, and then watch my video lecture. Once you've completed that, your next task is to complete what we call video questions. Video questions is just basically what the title means. So let's take this question for example. I'm going to click on this one, and you can see that there's a video. And what you have to do is you have to watch this video. After you watch this video, you simply click on submit. Now, the question is not designed to be difficult. It's just designed so you have to watch the video, right? So let's say you click on it, you click submit. Now, this is very important. After you click submit, you have to hit this continue button. If you don't hit the continue button, it won't register as credit in your gradebook. So you hit submit, then you hit continue. Please, please, please remember that, okay? Now, let's move back. So, you watch and answer the video questions. Then after that, we have a 10-question quiz on each chapter. Now, these quizzes are not timed. They're 10 questions. You just have to submit them by the due date, which is, again, going to be on a Sunday. So you can start and stop at any time. The system will simply accept the last saved quiz. Now, what some students like to do is they like to attempt the quizzes early in the week so they have time to ask me questions if they're confused, and then I will be more than happy to help you. If you do email me, please put in the subject line Econ 2 quiz question. This helps me prioritize, because I know if you're asking me a quiz question, you're facing a deadline, so I tend to prioritize those, right? So again, these 10-question quizzes are not timed, but they have to be submitted by the due date, okay? Now, that's how things work on a week-to-week basis. And the only thing I don't have is I don't have any, there's going to be occasionally a discussion thread. See here, discussion thread under assignments. You just have to respond to the discussion thread by the due date. In this case, it's going to be Sunday on the 7th. And you have to just be thorough with your response. Please don't respond at the last minute. So in other words, if the deadline is due Sunday at midnight, don't respond at 11:50 on Sunday. The reason why is because no one is going to read your post if you respond so late, because they're going to be moving on to the next week's assignments. So I want you to engage these discussion threads early on. Be thorough. One word, one sentence responses is not going to get you full credit, if any. I just want you to be thoughtful in your response. And that's how things work on a week-to-week basis. We do have a proctored exam at the end of the class. Here's the due date. So you have to complete the proctored exam between 8:12 and 8:20. And this is have to be scheduled through ProctorU. If you have any questions on how to schedule this exam, you simply click on this link and this will give you more information. So That's how things are going to work on a week-to-week basis. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Okay? I look forward to interacting with you with this term.